Krishna, welcome to the Built Solutions. This is a part 3 video to maintain the stock in the Built software. For to maintain the stock in the Built software, I need to log in into the software. But I'm just using the now there is the admin and owner. I am already given the rights to manage the stock, so I need to go to the manager login, owner login, and to maintain the stock. To mapping the stock, first time I need to configure that stock with the item list also. So I need to go to the item and rate food and food master food item list also. In food item list you will find that there is a number of items are available. Maybe sometime that in your restaurant some are items are the useful to maintain the stock and some are not useful to maintain the stock also. In our software there are the two types of stocks you can manage in that. One is the one-to-one means what are the items you are buying from the rest from the outer market and selling that to the and allowing sale to the your customers also. That means just like the pastry, cakes, soft drink, these are the one-to-one items you are buying from the outer market and selling to serving to your customer with your particular with your selected rate. That means you are giving the facility your customer. And second is the recipe, just like the chicken biryani and paneer biryani, anything. You are buying the raw material and producing the product in your restaurant and serving to the customer, and preparing a food and serving your customer. So just like the chicken biryani, you are buying the chicken from the outer market, you are just cutting that, and some portion you are some portion you are creating the biryani, that is called as a mixtures. So I can say it is the recipe also. With the help of this recipe management you can maintain the recipe stock also. So today we are focusing on the one-to-one stock only. I am maintaining the, and there is one item I am just choosing from this list, that is on which that is the bundi laddu. This is the bundi laddu. I am just going to maintain the stock of this bundi laddu. So this is there is a type of in our item master you will find that the code number, item name, the quantity name, type, category is the sweet, and type of stock. There is the option, just enable this option by pressing the edit key. Go to the option. There is a three parameters are there. No stock means you are not managing the stock of this item. Stock and mixture is means the recipe, and stocks means the one-to-one stock what you are buying. Suppose you are buying some stock from the market and you are representing with the different name. The different name means, suppose you are buying the some food from the outer market and you are packing and selling to your customer with the specified the selected name also. So this is called as a packaging. So I'm just buying this some stock, just the laddu, and mapping that laddu item with this item. So just I'm full brand, see there is no any list of available with that. So I'm going to map the bundi laddu with my bundi laddu item. So I need to cancel this thing now and going to say close now. This I am in item and rate. Go to the food and there is a master food item. This is a master food item where you can create the master items also. Just like today we are going to discuss on the bundi laddu item. So I am just creating the one bundi laddu item over here. Just I am written here the bundi laddu, or you can choose any item type, item name here, and type of purchase type. There are the three types of purchase you can manage, that the liter, kg, and pieces also. I'm just selecting the pieces because I'm buying that bundi laddu in pieces. So just save. After saving that the bundi laddu item is appearing into the drop down list, you can edit the name by pressing the by selecting this bundi laddu and press the enter. You can this will the edit button will get enable, and you can just by pressing the edit you can edit the item, whatever what is the item you want to change the name of that particular selected item. Now it is already created over there. Now I'm going to map this item with my uh, uh, item list. In my item list, go to the food and food option item food list. With the help of that selected master item, I'm just selecting the bundi laddu, which is the item I already store in my item list, food item list. I'm just going to edit it with just selecting the bundi laddu. This is the my entire item. I'm showing you that. I'm just clicking on that bundi laddu, that the edit delete button is already uh, enabled over there. Now I'm clicking the edit button. Now I'm just going to select the stock because I want to maintain the only one item stock, not the entire that the recipe, and I'm not creating the recipe now. So I'm just type of stock, I'm just select the stock. Now see, there is the item list will appear over there. In the item list, I'm just selecting the bundi laddu. For your understanding, I'm creating one more item over there in master. Just food burfi also I'm putting that. I'm purchasing into the kg. Again some rava also, rava in kg I'm buying. So these are the three items I'm mapping over here. For your understanding, just I'm going to food and food also, and just select the item where what I can manage. The bundi laddu I'm just selecting. This is the item for the to maintain the stock of this bundi laddu. I'm just maintaining this one. Just clicking on that. By clicking it, the edit button will get appear. Now just select the stock. What are the item? Just select the stock. What are the item I created in master? This is already available appear in this. Now I'm just selecting because bundi laddu, because I want to maintain the bundi laddu stocks only. Okay, now I'm going to save it. After saving the item, the I'm going to purchase that bundi laddu. When I'm going to purchase of that bundi laddu, just click it on this bar. There is a purchase. Just click on that. There is a option that the local purchase. This is the option you can maintain the 3 to 4 item type of purchase also. Some restaurants having their own factory, just like the Srinathji we are having. They are having their own factory. So in Srinathji, there the cafe chocolate actually they are having their own factory also. These are the restaurants, they can maintain their own factory stocks also, own factory stock. To maintaining that the factory stock, we need to add the one parameter here. For that, you need to call to the builder solutions company to make that to enable that the facilities in this software. So I'm just clicking that by only local purchase. Now select the add. The entire list will appear over here. The bundi laddu I'm just selecting with the today I buy the 200 items, so I am just putting over here the 200 items. Now I am selecting the burfi also. Burfi I pressed, sorry, I'm just by mistakenly I click it over here. I want to remove it. If you want to remove the item by mistakenly, just press the delete button. After deleting this, are you sure you want to delete the purchase? Yes, say yes, because it is by mistake I put there. Now I'm just going to add the burfi. I just purchased it today the 2 kg. Okay, this is the parameter is showing you the 2 kg I am. So now I purchased two items, that the burfi and the laddu. But in our software only we map the burfi, laddu, not the burfi. So burfi is still remain over there. Just later we will discuss on that. Just focus on the bundi laddu only. Just I am closing that. Go to the report. Today's purchase I want to check that. So go to the report and purchase summary. This is the purchase summary. Just I am clicking over here. Just say display. On display you will see that with the burfi kg 2 kg I bought it, and bundi laddu 200 items I just purchased it. Now I am just checking the current stock of my position, my software. So just click it on the current stock, just display. It will show you the entire list of items available, the current stock available in your restaurant. Now there is a one most important, that the stocks food stock status. Food stock status, it will give you the opening balance, closing balance, everything for the I need to, it is not visible now, so I need to make the visible by the 100% by clicking the on percentage. See, this is the three items are available in our software: burfi, laddu, rava. In burfi 2 kg I purchase, laddu 200 kg 200 pieces I purchased today. So it is, this is the entire opening balance, purchase, sales, returns, adjustments and closing. These are the parameters available in this report. Now I am just closing down. I am going to sell one of item, that is a laddu, bundi laddu. I am going to sell it now. Just put the stock. 602 is the item number of that item number. I mentioned that the bundi laddu, it is showing you the rate of that. I'm just selling the two quantity. Okay, now enter. It is that QOT comes out now. So now I'm going to report, just checking the current stock position. See, display. See, this is the burfi I bought it 2 kg, and bundi laddu that 198 it's remain now. Now I am going to food stock status. Go to the food stock status, say display. I am increasing the percentage. Now see this, wait, I am making the 100. See, this is the burfi is 2 kg I purchased. Bundi laddu I purchased the 200. Now the sale is 2 kg 2 pieces. The closing stock is 198. It means my stock is performing nicely. Now I am going to there. This is the another option, is that the stock return. Stock return means some of the stocks are having their own life, the 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 3 months and whatever it is. After, if that the product is not going to sell, then you must return back, because it is perishable items maybe. So I'm going to return some items, just like the laddu in that 19. This is the available stock, it is showing you over here. 198 is the item is available. In that 198, the 10 item is not, it is a spoiled. It is these are the type of return type: damage, expire, not receive, short item, spoilage. So I must showing that the 10 items are the damage now, because in packet there is a 10 item as 10 quantity is damaged. So I must return back to the vendor. So I'm just saving it. This is the, it is showing you over here. If you want to remove this, by just click over here and select the press the delete button. It will ask you, are you sure you want to return the stock? Say yes, it will remove the stock. So I need to return the stock, that's why I'm just putting the damage and quantity 10, then save it. It will get up here. If you want to remove, just you can by mistakenly, if it is happened that you are, instead of bundi laddu you maintain the thing, or any items, other item, or this quantity is not properly entered, so you must remove that the item from this list. Now I want to check the stock status or the current stock of my position. That is the current stock. It will show you that 98, the 10 items is list. It means 188 items is remain now. Now I want to check my food stock status. Go to the food stock status, display. It will show you the current position of that. The 200 items I purchased, 2 are sale, 10 are return, and 188 is the balance. If you want to check the previous day's stocks also, from date to date, even that, just there is the current date of that. Just remove the button, you will see the entire that day, from date to date is also available, that the item list of item, and the single item, just select the item. I'm just showing you the one thing, the laddu. I'm taking the race. See, this is the option where I can get that for the part type of everything. So with the help of these options, you can check the item wise sale, item wise everything. Brand wise summary, you can get it the brand wise summary also, just like that. The laddu, just click it on the laddu. You see that on 31st July you have the purchase the 200, and the sale item is 200 and something like that. I'm checking the date wise. There are a lot of parameters, you can check it by one. You can understand the report also. Now this is the process. Now this is the last one, is that the stock return. I want to take the stock return position. So just display over here, you can get this total stock, what are the stocks you are returning today, or they are uh, on the selected date also. By pressing the select printer, you can take a printout, and you can just staple it on your returning stock, so that your vendor can understand how much quantity you are returning back to them, and to maintain, and you can maintain this return stock inventory in your software also. So this is the process how you can maintain the food stock in your software. How can maintain the food stock, how can configure the stock into the software also. In next video we can understand the how to maintain the recipe in our software. So this is the process how you can manage the stock in our built software. So thank you for your kind support to increase our built support, as well as the built company.